Today, we're diving into how to get clients as a social media manager without cold pitching. So, if you're sick of sending DMs that get ignored, pitching yourself to strangers, and feeling like finding clients is a numbers game, this episode is for you. So, here's what we're covering today: how to network strategically, virtually, and locally, partnering with sister services for referrals, how to use social media to attract inbound leads, getting in front of other people's audiences with podcast guesting, and live video. Because let's be real, cold pitching is exhausting, and for most social media managers, it doesn't lead to the best clients. The goal is to have clients coming to you. Let's get into it. Networking the right way. If you don't want to rely on cold pitching, networking needs to be your number one strategy. But before you roll your eyes and think networking feels awkward, let me tell you this. This is not about randomly messaging people. I want you to join and participate in Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and Slack communities. Find industry-specific groups where your ideal clients hang out, if it's coaches, consultants, realtors, agency owners, things like that. Don't just drop a promo post. Engage first, answer questions, offer value, and let people see your expertise in action. So, for example, if someone in a group asks, what's the best way to repurpose my Instagram content? Instead of saying, DM me for services, respond with an insightful answer, share a quick tip, and casually mention that this is what you help clients with. You can drop your favorite tools or workflows. Also, attend virtual events and webinars in your industry. If someone is hosting a free training on LinkedIn marketing, be active in the chat. After the event, you can connect with attendees, especially if they mention needing help with social media. We're not poaching other people's clients, but we are connecting and networking with people who may need your services or may be able to refer people who need your services in the future. Locally, you can go to industry meetups and business networking events. Find events for small business owners, realtors, fitness coaches, and creatives, any industry that needs social media. Bring a strong elevator pitch that focuses on how you help businesses grow. So, for example, if you're at a local business networking event and someone asks you what you do, instead of saying, I manage social media, say, I help service-based businesses grow through social media strategies that actually convert without them having to spend hours online. That immediately makes people think, I need that. Tell me more. So to take this a step further, search for upcoming local business networking events or join a virtual Facebook or LinkedIn group today and introduce yourself. One of the best ways to get steady client referrals is by partnering with businesses that already serve your ideal clients. So who are the best sister services to partner with as a social media manager? Web designers. Every new website project needs social media content to match. Brand strategists. They set up brand visuals and messaging, but clients still need ongoing content. Copywriters. They create sales pages, email sequences, and ads, but clients also need consistent organic content. PR and SEO agencies. PR gets exposure. SEO gets search traffic, but social keeps the audience engaged. So for example, a web designer finishes a client's website and says, now that your new site is live, you need a strong social media strategy to bring in traffic. I have an amazing social media manager I refer clients to. Boom, instant warm lead. So here's 3 steps to get these referrals set up. Step 1, reach out to complimentary service providers and offer a referral partnership. You don't want to do this cold. You want to establish a relationship with them first, have a virtual coffee chat, really get to know each other, make sure that you serve the same people, that your business philosophies mesh really well, that you're going to want to have a long-term relationship with this person, kind of like dating. But once you do that, then you can decide, hey, it would be beneficial for both of us to refer clients to each other. Then you can send them a quick how I help document so they know when to refer you. This could be like a presentation. You can even do, this is a referral, like a finder's fee, or like a referral bonus as a thank you for sending a client my way. Also, refer clients to them too. It's a two-way street. So make a list of 3 to 5 sister service providers that you can reach out to this week and get that started. Start building that relationship with them. And if you're not showing up online, you're missing out on inbound leads. Clients are watching you before they ever DM you. They look at what you post, how you talk about social media strategy, whether you seem active or inconsistent. You want to use social media to attract clients. Post about what your ideal client struggles with. Instead of just sharing tips, talk about problems your ideal clients experience. So for example, you could say something like, tired of posting every day and still not getting leads? Let's fix that. And then you can tell them what you would do for a client who is struggling with this. It's not a, here's how to do this yourself. It's a, let's strategize, let's troubleshoot, let's figure out what your problem is, what the root of it is, and kind of the thought process behind fixing it, but positioning yourself in the way of, you need my help to kind of fix that yourself, kind of a thing. You can use carousels, reels, and storytelling in your content as well. Show behind the scenes, client transformations. You can educate and then invite people to inquire to work with you. Be active in your Instagram DMs, LinkedIn, Threads conversations. Reply to comments thoughtfully. Start discussions around industry shifts, things that are happening. There's always something new happening in social media. You have plenty to talk about. So for an action step to take this a little bit further, plan a post this week that speaks directly to your ideal client's biggest struggle. And that should not be something as surface level as, what should I post? Or how often should I post? Like, let's get deeper so that we can really stand out with our skill set and get noticed by people. What makes us different? And one of the fastest ways to get clients without chasing them is to get in front of other people's audiences. So you can do this by guest speaking and collaborating with others. So be a guest on podcasts. You can find marketing, business, or niche specific podcasts, and then pitch a value-packed episode idea. Sometimes larger podcasts will have a form where you can pitch yourself in there, or you can reach out to them directly on Instagram or email or something like that. You can also go live on any of the social platforms, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. Partner with someone in a related field. So like we mentioned before, who would be a good sister service, a web designer, a PR strategist, a brand coach, and do a live training and or Q&A with them. You can have a free resource that you drop at the end that works as a lead magnet. You can also do Instagram story takeovers. These are not as popular as they used to be, but I still think that they're a great way to really collaborate with people. So if you know like a business coach, you can offer to do a quick social media audit on their stories or offer their audience social media audits. I did a guest expert session in a business coaching program on how to create content strategy for lead generation, and 5 people in that program booked a discovery call with me afterwards. So there is a lot of return on your investment for this kind of thing. So definitely make sure that you do this. You can find a podcast, a live stream, or a collaboration to pitch yourself. Do one this month. I want to challenge you and see where that gets you. So final takeaways, how to get clients as a social media manager. None of these are easy and like immediate, right? These all take work. These all take time, planting seeds, building relationships, building connections. But that's the way to grow. That's the way to make it sustainable. That's the way to get clients without having to cold pitch. So it's kind of, pros and cons to everything. There's not a magical solution to immediately getting clients, but this is a great way to go about it. And this is the way that I prefer to do it. So again, what we've covered today. Network strategically, join online communities, attend business networking events, and offer value first. Partner with sister services, web designers, copywriters, and brand strategists can send referrals your way, and you can do the reverse. Be active on social media. Clients are watching before they inquire. Show up and talk about their struggles. And get in front of other people's audiences. Guest on podcasts, do lives, and collaborate with aligned professionals. Cold pitching is not the only way to get clients. If you focus on these inbound strategies, you'll have clients reaching out to you without ever having to chase them. If you found this video helpful and want more support, join the free Social Media Manager Lounge, grab my best freebies, or check out my templates and masterclasses. It's all linked in the description. And every month in 2025, I'm picking one person to win a free class, template, or bundle. To enter, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, screenshot it, and post it to your Instagram stories, tagging Sugar French Marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.